here at Disney's Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort and Bungalows. We're heading to our room, which is 8356. This is a one-bedroom suite. One-bedroom suite. We've got a great view of the Contemporary Resort out on our balcony. We'll get out there in a second. So here's the main living area. We've got a dining table that could seat 5. This one-bedroom suite sleeps 5, so seating 5 seems relevantly accurate. As most one-bedrooms do, we have a washer and dryer in here. There's an interesting place for it, right kind of smack in the middle of the living room. We're going to go into the first bathroom here. There's a closet here. The first bathroom. Dark tile floor. Dark tile in the shower. Nice artwork on the tiles there. We've got our shower nook. We've got our soap dispensers. The shower has a rainfall shower head as well as a handheld. There's the toilet, the vanity. There's a large hexagonal mirror as well as a couple lights right there. Turn those on, just give you some extra lighting. Walking back out into the main living area, we see the kitchen. We have a full-size refrigerator, French doors, very nice. Oh, that's a water dispenser. So it has a water dispenser inside the refrigerator. We have a nice, obviously brand new glass top stove. Got a microwave, kitchen sink, full-size dishwasher. Cabinetry has, oh, look at these fancy themed glasses. Those are nice. They're not the standard plain DVC ones. You've got some cookware, bowls, cleaning products down under the sink. There's the pull-out trash can. Over there's the cookware and a cutting board. There's a Keurig machine. And there's these nice little nooks with books and artwork. Secrets of the Seven Seas Lagoon. Look at that. I wonder if one of the secrets is that there used to be a wave machine. Large TV above the trundle bed. Some more little artwork pieces and Tales from the Tangaroa Terrace. Here's the trundle bed that pulls down. It ends up being a single bed. There's what that looks like. Pretty undersea artwork inside the trundle bed. And then opposite the trundle bed, there's a seating area, a coffee table, And then here is the pull down Murphy bed. So we're going to pull that down. And check out the artwork behind the Murphy bed. That's a more darker themed undersea. There's a stylized stingray there. You can see the moon and the stars. It's a pretty artwork. So let's close that back up. We've got the daytime artwork here when it's closed. I will say these Murphy beds are much more comfortable than the sofa beds in some of the older DVC resorts. But look, we got this really pretty carpet. Very nicely colored, nicely themed furniture here. But here's the money shot. Here's the money shot. You look out right over the Seven Seas Lagoon. You can see Bay Lake Tower, the Contemporary Resort, Space Mountain and Tron. You've got Cinderella Castle. You've got the Wedding Pavilion. And then you've got Disney's Contemporary Resort. And you can see down, you can see the outdoor space of the resort here in the back. So this is the back of the lobby that faces the lagoon. The roof that we are over top of is Wailulu Bar and Grill. And then over there you can see the pool area. And to the right is the splash pad. You can just barely see the splash pad over to the right. And then you see obviously the Polynesian resort. There's the Polynesian marina, the bungalows behind the marina, and over there you can see a ferry boat taking unsuspecting guests to the Magic Kingdom. So this I think is one of the huge benefits of this building, is the views of the Seven Seas Lagoon. I would say these views are better than Bay Lake Tower, better than Contemporary, I mean, they're as good as the bungalows, but you're higher up, so there's the advantage of being higher up here. You get a better view, kind of overview of everything, as opposed to, just a great fireworks view. So as you can see, the balcony is pretty large. There's 4 chairs out here, plenty of seating area. We're going to go in to the master bedroom now from the balcony. These doors are extremely heavy and very hard to push, but we're going to close that behind us. And so the master bedroom has a very nice full width artwork above the bed. There's a king size bed here. You've got nice nightstands, all the electrical outlets right next to the bed on both sides. They finally figured out how to do this for optimal effect. But you've got 2 nice nightstands. You've got a big dresser with 6 drawers, and then you've also got a wardrobe. We'll take a peek. Oh, it's lighted. The wardrobe is lighted on the inside. Welcome, Morton family. Let's go to the master bath. This is very nice. You've got a large tub in the center underneath a very nice piece of sea-themed artwork. Let's turn some lights on in here. And then, so on the right side, behind the frosted glass, is the water closet. that has its own light. And then on the other side of the bed, on the other side of the tub, I mean, I guess you could sleep in there. On the other side of the tub, you have the walk-in shower. It's a relatively large walk-in shower. It's got a bench, it's got a nook, it's got a rainfall shower head as well as the handheld. You've got this little thing here that blocks the door from going all the way in, and it looks like it was just glued to the tile, which is not spectacular. But I don't know. The mirrors are relatively interesting here. You've got these dark teal triangular tiles and then a really weird shaped mirror. But this is a shape that you'll actually see a lot in this resort. A lot of the ceiling decoration is this shape, and there's a lot of this shape around. May have something to do with the wayfaring theme of the resort. I don't know. But anyway, look at the carpet in the master bedroom. It's textured. You've got some nice carved looking wood on the headboard. I mean, you've got marble here on the top of the dresser. This is really nice finishes in these rooms. The curtains are decorated. I really like the finishes in these rooms. And then we're back out here into the main living area where we've got the large stingray on the wall ready to get you. But again, here is the full main living area of the one-bedroom suite here at Disney's Polynesian Village Island Tower. Thanks for watching.